Now we have the presentation from Mr. Krunal Patel, Director and Business Head, India and South Asia, TeamViewer. Kunal Patel is Director at TeamViewer India and is responsible for the business management of TeamViewer solutions for India and South Asia. Krunal has over 17 years of experience of business management and has held key positions in several renowned technology companies like SAP and Gartner. Please don't forget to respond to the quiz asked by Mr. Krunal.
Deepak, thank you so much for having me, and thank you VAR India and Infotech Forum for this opportunity to share my experiences. Today, I would like to, basically talk about the new normal and how the current scenario has led a lot of business and technology transformation. So let's start with understanding of what is the new normal. So a lot of large, small enterprises, lot of CIOs, CTOs whom I speak to are either in these four areas which they talk to me. One is, of course, connectivity. You need solutions, you need your business to be connected remotely. Connecting man to man, connecting man to machine, connecting machine to machine has become a very, very defining requirement of the current era. Collaboration, it is very important, like what we are meeting here virtually. The virtual meetings, because of the limitations on physical meetings and because of the restrictions on physical distancing, we have to push very hard on collaboration. Now, collaboration has multiple aspects. One is, of course, the technology which is used for collaboration, but also the personal part of collaboration. You know, how do you socialize with people online? How do you meet them online? Like, for example, I have a tea time catch up with my entire team every day, and then I try and replicate my experiences of the day with them to keep in touch, to keep the team together. So connectivity, collaboration, cloud. People across different locations, different enterprises are now embarking on cloud more than ever because of the reasons around security, elasticity, and flexibility. So friends, this is how people are embracing transformation. Finally, cleanliness. It looks like a very normal word, but there is a deeper impact, deeper stress on personal hygiene, on the way how workplaces are kept clean, etc. In fact, there are government guidelines as well. So all in, this is the way how we work in the new normal. Probably we have to be connected remotely. We need to collaborate technically as well as socially. We have to adopt cloud as much as we can, and we have to keep our workspaces clean. That is not all. You know, a lot of enterprises have come to us and said that, you know, to achieve the new normal, there are a lot of challenges what they face. Technology is legacy. There are a lot of investments which are already done on desktops, on infrastructures. There are policies and procedures in place which needs to be measured, monitored, and implemented. Scale, whether it is a large enterprise or a small enterprise, whether it is computers or machines, every organization has its own scale, and that scale has to be achieved by the transformation, by enabling the entire work environment to work remotely. Funds and budget, you don't have unlimited supply of resources when it comes to fund and budget. Within the given source, given limited budget, you have to, as an IT leader, as a business leader, have to take decisions to make your company more and more viable. Most of the users are, unlike IT users, not very technology savvy. So you need to have the right checks and balances of technology, how consumer ready it is, at the same time how secure it is, how you have all the right checks and balances to ensure that, you know, the security is in place as well as the work is not hampered. Auditability, as every control require, you need to have a very detailed auditable logs and event management solutions. Finally, speed. We have seen that, you know, the time to deliver has reduced from years to months to weeks. In fact, during the time of pandemic, we were also talking of days and hours. But that is the new normal. A highly scalable infrastructure which is flexible, which can be easily auditable, which can be used easily, and which can be quickly implemented. Relevant now and never. With TeamViewer, probably people have now more and more ventured onto the transformation journey by either remote working or supporting people who are working remotely. And those are our core solutions. Learnings and case studies. So today, friends, I also have some transformation studies which we have experienced over the last 6 months. There is a large conglomerate in Sri Lanka who came to us in April, and they wanted to set up an IT support help desk with 16 companies, 15,000 devices with around 100 locations. They chose TeamViewer over other solutions primarily because it was flexible, it was secure, and they could get all the integrations they needed with Microsoft software. This is a new way of working. Prior to this, they would have simply sent an engineer to a site and get the problem fixed. With this new transformation, they are now able to save cost, support the environment, and also keep their employees safe and protect their employees. Remote working has been one of the most debated and discussed topic. In India, we had one of the large public sector company who came to us, who are our existing customers, who came to us in March and told us that can we set up an immediate help desk or immediate work from home solution for 600 users. And we got them up and running within 48 hours for 600 users. And finally, they went up to 1100 users. So even with all the stringent checks and balances and the cost and the budgets, we were able to deliver these solutions for quite a long. Again, work from home is not only for business users. There has been a lot of users who have been talking, who are very highly processor intensive job workers, like animation, like video editing, and you are giving them the best of the breed workstations in the office environment, but it is very difficult to replicate that kind of setup at every house, and hence people chose TeamViewer to have point-to-point access to those high-end workstations, and this transformed the way how they work. Now there is one large conglomerate in India who has 900 employees working out of home with their workstations from office, and this is a real transformation because now they don't have to come to office, and they are very safely and securely working like they are working from office. That's not all. New age technologies like Internet of Things and augmented reality has also been one of the most important discussion point and implementation point. I would say Internet of Things have accelerated, the current pandemic has accelerated the adoption of new age technologies like Internet of Things, augmented reality by at least 2 to 3 years. I have a solution. I have a customer who came to us with a very unique use case of manufacturing floor support across the process industry in 6 locations in India. We gave them this solution along with the smart glasses, and with our augmented reality and TeamViewer pilot, they are now supporting those 6 plants from the central location in Delhi. So friends, in summary, TeamViewer has been able to deliver transformative journeys for working from home, for supporting people who are working from home, giving innovative solutions on Internet of Things and on augmented reality to a lot of large and small enterprises. Quickly now, how do we achieve this? So we achieve that on the back of our TeamViewer Tensor platform. TeamViewer Tensor platform allows you to create work from home as well as support work from home. It's a cloud-based solution which allows your users to enter into the application with single sign-on, Active Directory integration, support any device, all the major operating systems on 256-bit AES encrypted network with SOC auditable infrastructure. So this architecture has been time and again used for a variety of use cases to support different transformation agendas, whether it is enabling work from home or supporting work from home. So TeamViewer today has emerged as a full-fledged remote connectivity platform and just not a remote connectivity software. And this platform is based on different use cases like enabling work from home. If you have a home worker who is working from home and using a traditional VPN, he may end up being one of the users of a VPN and creating multiple tunnels to your application server. And because of which there could be a lot of latency built in the VPN network. And hence you get a very regular complaint of VPN being slow, VPN not up to mark, etc. Whereas in the case of TeamViewer, which is on TeamViewer Tensor, you are now able to deliver this solution in a very secure manner because here you have first link between the remote worker and the designated user desktop on TeamViewer, which can operate on low latency, low internet, which can operate at a very low latency and a very high performance speed as well. So by this use case, working from anywhere, whether it is from mobile or from any device, has become very, very simple, easy, and fast. Whether it is connecting machine, whether it is connecting Internet of Things, whether it is connecting augmented reality based support, TeamViewer deliver this via a very unique scalable platform, which provides up to 60 frames per second in some cases. This scalable platform basically allows you to give up to 99.9% uptime with latency as low as 30 to 40 milliseconds with speed of 60 frames per second. This is achieved because of our network. We have close to 1100 plus routers installed in 40 countries across hundreds plus data centers, and this network allows us to give a very distributed scalable architecture which ensures availability and scalability of the platform. Security is another area, and we take a very holistic approach towards the security of the platform. This platform gives you a standard user level security with integrations, with access control, with single sign-on, infrastructure security with network security, as well as the code security. So whether it is infrastructure, network, or user access, we ensure all the standards at the holistic level. Being a German company, it becomes very critical for us to maintain the data privacy, and hence we minimize the data collection. Only required data is collected in a very transparent manner. It's a zero knowledge design, so there is no data transfer happening. You transfer frame by frame in the network. We understand that in the true transformation journey, there is no single application, and hence working with ecosystem becomes very critical. TeamViewer today works with 100 plus partners across operating systems, hardware, and platforms to create integrated solutions which are available, easy to use, and fast to implement. One of such story is software integration, which is giving strong APIs for integration with service desk, with CRM, or with mobile device management. So whether it is Salesforce, Microsoft, Freshworks, Zendesk, we are able to integrate with those all solutions. So friends, whether it is the scale, security, data privacy, or connecting anything in your transformation journey, you can rely on TeamViewer to use us as a connectivity platform. With that, I would just take a minute more to explain TeamViewer. Everyone know about it, but just to reiterate, TeamViewer today has 2.2 billion plus installations across the world with our single objective of connecting anything, anywhere, anyhow. We are going on to that mission daily and every day. I'll be open for questions now. Thank you. So, okay, that's a very interesting part. I want to, the first question which I have is, name any two new age technologies which I discussed in my presentation from TeamViewer. Yes, my second question is, TeamViewer acquired a augmented reality based solution. Can you name that company? Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Krunal, for sharing such interesting insights and the services that are being offered by TeamViewer.